And today, the Wisconsin Supreme Court is hearing arguments about the governor's veto powers. The lawsuit came after Governor Tony Evers used a partial veto to change wording in a bill locking in school funding for 400 years. The Republican-controlled legislature supports the lawsuit. The lawyer for Governor Evers says that the governor was using a long-standing partial veto process. You might remember in 2017, Republican Governor Scott Walker did something similar, changing 2018 to 3018. In that case, the court ruled that a lawsuit filed against it was filed too late.